For decades, we've tried to bend machines to our will. We taught them to calculate, to predict, to answer. They followed our instructions, but they could never truly act on their own. Well, that era is over. Today, AI doesn't just talk, it moves. It decides, it acts. Welcome to the age of agentic AI. Most of us know AI as something that answers questions. The generative AI we all use, like chatbots, can write, explain, or suggest things. But it only reacts, it waits for your command. Agentic AI is completely different. It has agency. It sets its own goals, takes independent action, and learns from the results. Think of it this way. If generative AI is a helpful consultant, an agentic AI is a digital employee, autonomous, proactive, and absolutely tireless. A true agentic AI is built on 4 fundamental pillars. First, perception. It observes the digital world around it, reading your emails, understanding documents, even analyzing websites. Nothing escapes its understanding. Next, reasoning. It breaks down huge, complex tasks into small, logical, step-by-step plans. Then tool use. It can operate apps, run code, and interact with other software all by itself. And finally, memory. Every success and every mistake is logged, shaping smarter decisions for the future. Together, these pillars allow AI to function not just as a tool, but as an autonomous agent in our digital world. And this isn't science fiction anymore. Agentic AI is already here, working in the real world. In business, these agents monitor sales, analyze competitors, and make automatic pricing or marketing decisions. In coding, autonomous software engineers like Devin are building entire apps, testing them, fixing bugs, and deploying them with zero human intervention. And in our daily lives, personal agents are starting to manage our health, schedule appointments, order groceries, and optimize our routines based on real-time data. AI is no longer just a helper. It's becoming an independent problem solver. The story of how we got here is fascinating. It starts with what you could call static AI. From the 1950s all the way to 2021, computers followed strict rules. Chess machines and early voice assistants could respond, but they couldn't think for themselves. Then came the big bang of generative AI with ChatGPT in 2022. Suddenly, machines could understand language and reason in incredible ways, but they still needed our guidance. The real revolution kicked off in 2023 with projects like AutoGPT and Baby AGI. For the very first time, an AI could create its own to-do list, take steps toward a goal, and adjust its own actions along the way. By 2024, things got even more powerful with multi-agent systems. Digital offices started to appear with manager agents, researcher agents, and writer agents all working together as a team. AI was becoming a workforce. Now, in 2026, agents like OpenAI's Operator or Google's Project Jarvis can fully control computers, apps, and browsers autonomously. They are finally acting in the world, not just on the screen. Some of the most influential tools driving this change include AutoGPT, the very first autonomous agent, AgentGPT, which lets you build your own agents directly in your browser, and frameworks like CrewAI and Microsoft AutoGen for building multi-agent digital workforces. But of course, this incredible power comes with immense responsibility. Rogue agents could make costly errors or access private data. Privacy, security, and setting clear ethical boundaries are now the most critical challenges in AI. We are moving from the era of prompt engineering to the new science of agent governance, making sure these autonomous systems follow human-aligned goals without causing unintended harm. The era of AI that just talks is officially ending. The era of AI that acts has begun. We are no longer just users of technology, we are becoming the managers of a vast digital workforce. So the question is no longer if this is happening, but a much simpler one. Are you ready to delegate? If you enjoyed this look into the future, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what is the very first task you would give to your own personal AI agent? Thanks for watching.